Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow frog poppet. Let's start drawing. At the beginning, I'm going to draw its two big, very cute eyes. And then the shape of its head, and her smiling mouth, and a circle for her cheek. Then I draw her crown on the top of her head. I continue with her body and legs. How beautiful! Now, let's divide her entire head with vertical lines like this, from the top to bottom. Very nice! Finally, let's draw little circles in all the lanes. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color our cute frog, I'm going to use the rainbow colors. I start with red on top. Then I use orange. Yellow, then light green, dark green, light blue, a little dark blue, purple, and pink, yellow. I love it! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.